Carlo.
And this is our negosyo.
Hi, I'm Angel Tan, and this is my negosyo.
Happy Valentine's!
Wow, thank you!
Welcome to Macy's Events and Services.
Welcome to Agape & Co. God's Love. So, mura siya joint venture Agape & Co. Kay mura siya joint venture na mo ni God. And also, Agape is the highest form of love. So, ganahan ko sa idea ba na the gifts that people get from me, from this business, is like love na ilang gigift sa ilang loved ones.
Nagplan jud mi na since wala pa may baby karon, if na may baby, Macy ang among i-name, whether it's a boy or girl. And then initially it's May and Carlo Ibanez. So name namon duha sa akong husband. Before ko nag-start sa Macy's Events, I was in a BPO company. But way back before pagid that, kay I was in a telco, and then I work in a cell shop, and then I'm the breadwinner of the family. So basically, all rackets na pwede is ako jud siya gisudlan. Like we sell a lot of stuff sa Dan, because then again, we're not born with a silver spoon. Growing up, naninda mi og mga sabon. I think daghan jud kayo makahinumdom sa katong gining buy one take one na chocolates, katong almost expired na chocolates na buy one take one. So amo nang gisuroy. Barato ra kat siya before 5 pesos duha na ka chocolate, which is imported na nga chocolate, but mo lagi nearly expired na. So inform mo daan ang mga mamalitay. So why gani ko og kanang housemaid in ana because of kawadun lagi. So realizing those times ba nga maningkamot ko para dili na ako kabalik dito, and as much as possible makatabang ko sa akong pamilya nga dili na jud nana nga maglisod. Until na ni-resign ko sa BPO, so niabot mi sa food business pag first. So we made food trays, mga packed meals, and then self-taught ko og baking. So, naabot ko og bake og mga cakes, mga cupcakes, and then realizing na nauso sa Cebu gani ang setup, especially sa dessert buffet. So, ni venture mi ana with the basic stuff lang jud na among magamit before. Kay kami man to, it's like a two-man show pa man to with me and my husband.
OFW ko sa Malaysia like for 9 years. And then, sige siya, kuha na ko nga, mag-team na lang ta, uli na lang diri, magnegosyo lang taga-tua. So mo to nga, support ko niya, and then ni-click man, anto naabot niya ni.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Nakakuha mi og mga clients, naka-gain mi og trust sa mga tao. Through word of mouth, nakakuha mi og mga clients, and then eventually, naka-save me, and then invest na mi og mga props, and then nanami diri kami. So we're offering dessert buffet with pastries and styling. We are also offering Grace tables on Facebook page. It's named under my husband. It's Carlos Grace. We also do debut birthdays. Focus jud mi sa debut birthdays and then corporate events. Basically, akong brain and marketing. So, I man the social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, my personal account, and then the Facebook page. And then, my husband does the execution. And then, Franklin, one of our trusted sa team, he does all like sa flowers, and then execution sa props, and then sa styling. So, whenever there's an event, I would give them instructions on what to do and how to do it, and then they execute.
Support gyapon ko niya kung unsay ang kuan iya kung i-instruct nako, and then ako na magda sa team. Kay siya kay bisag unsa pwede man, so support ko niya, and then at the same time mag-learn sad ko niya magkuan sa internet unsaon niya ako ang inputs nako akong i-suggest niya. Di sad lalim ang events industry kay labi na ang call time sayo nya before naka-event sa gabi sumahuman siya kadlawon nya na kay next booking buntag, so wala gitol ganay.
Grabe kayong impact, like dako jud kayong impact nga, as in down jud kayo, especially sa among industry, kay since we are freelance, we are target marketing people na mo-hire na mo. So since pandemic na lisod kayo, especially transportation, and lisod mo gawas ang mga tao due sa mga kuan gani sa government, so wala jud, as in zero may wala may events, wala may deliveries, wala may surprises inana.
So wala man mi event, so nangita mi glain diskarte na mo to naninda mi og mga Spanish sardines nya nagkuan mi kanang grocery service.
Since among mahimo na makagawas mi, we make very good use of our time, especially to earn income. As what they called me na number 1 raketera, and also if pwede pa daw mabaligya ang hangin, ma'am, gibaligya na namo. So for Valentine's, we have the surprise and wheels, and we're making a lot of bouquets. So we're offering flowers in a box. So depends kung unsa na flowers ang need ni client, ug unsa kadako na box iyang ganahan. Also flowers in a vase, and then we also have balloon setups. So depends on unsa ila ganahan, and also any types of bouquet. This is one of the options.
Actually, ang uso ka na buwa kay, since last year pa, also gid ang sunflower kay like, even may like mo ana sila, if unsa imong favorite flower kay marag, ano ko sunflower kay, kamunti kay like, kanang, bisan unsa ka kusog ang uwan mo, duko lang siya, like mga struggles in life, like, abot sa sunshine, like mo, bright rin gihapon siya, manang makana ko nga, kanang, kuha na gid ang sunflower mo, fix siya for like, in relationship man ka, or like, unsa man imong status sa kinabuhi, ibalik.
The surprise on wheels is basically set up within our car. But if the client wants it to be set up sa ilahang sakyanan, okay ra pod. And then if it's set up on our car, we have a setup with balloons and flowers, and then the package comes together with a bouquet and a cake or a wine. So depende kung unsa ang ganahan ni client. We have a variety of options though.
Kani man gud siya kay murag effort kay ba. So kabaw na ka sa mga babae kay Ya, labi na ganang Instagrammable kayo. So ganahan sila ba? Usta siya sa way nga ma-express ang imong feelings sa imong partner. Sa kani po siya nga setup, dili na siya para sa babae mo ang laki may matag sa babae. Napod may client nga mga babae ang nahatagan ng ilang partner nga like birthdays o ilang mansaris, ilang surprise ilang husband gikan sa work. Like kung ako yung makadawat og ingon ani, murag minut kay sa paminaw ba kay kita usually ang laki gyud ba mo surprise sa kuan among partner niya. Makadawat ka gikan sa imong girlfriend or wife nga nion ka murag gaan ka sa dughan ba. Napod mi kuan money bouquet. Like kanang birthday sa imong mama, imong lola, sister or siblings. Pwede sa namo i-set up ani nga money bouquet siya within ani nga setup. Pwede ra gyapon. Instead of flowers siya, pwede ra pud ato ibutang kay ang money diri. Para sa uban practical siya kay sa buwak like in a week malaya na uban kwarta. Nindot sa tanong picture anya magamit pa gyud ang kwarta.
I'm the youngest of 6 children. I also graduated Bachelor of Science in Psychology from San Carlos. And I started this business because it was my sister and I went to Switzerland a few years ago. And then we went into this chocolate shop, bitaw. Yan na mind blown me kay kanang inigsod ni mo no humot kay chocolate o niya kanang mura sa siya ingani na kanang different variations ni it comes in blocks. Ni ilara ipang way ana niya indot og packaging. So naka-decide ko na murag nice sad siya na experience madala here sa Cebu. Unya kanang para maka-experience bitaw ang mga tao sa katong joy na akong na-feel pag ato na ako sa Switzerland. And then giada na sa nakog touches of myself. During the pandemic ko nakakuha ni na idea because I started man jud with kanang curated gifting. So muhimo ko gift boxes ana and then I wanted to add something na that was my own product inside my boxes and then ni take off man siya. So dinhis ako ni focus more. For this Valentine's kina ako'y new na kani sila new product. So here kay set siya 4 ka US na strawberries dipped in chocolate. Niya 4 ka Oreos dipped in chocolate. O niya kaning customized na sweetheart bar akong name niya. Butangan siya pink toppings ana makapili ka white, milk or dark chocolate then makabutang ka og message nimo here. Na ako'y kaning pretzel, mo ni ang usa sa akong bestsellers, as well as the s'mores. And then, nasa Goy Oreo, sila tulo ako ang regulars jud. And then, every season, I change up with one limited edition na flavor. So, for the Valentine's season, akong gikuan dark chocolate with white chocolate swirl and freeze-dried strawberries on top. Kuan ang s'mores nako chocolate with graham crackers and then marshmallow. The pretzel is salted pretzels siya na gi-crush and then gi-mix in siya with our milk chocolate. Ang Oreo is the white chocolate with the classic bitaw white chocolate with crushed Oreo cookies. Homemade jud sila. I source my chocolate from elsewhere, but kani sila, ako dyan gi-handmake sila. Like, I do double boiling. And then, after anak, kay, when the chocolate melts, I add the toppings. And then, kuan siya i-ref. And then, after sa ref, i-chop na ko. And then, ako i-package into this. I had to establish jud it's dako na jud og difference ron if naay kuan sa social media bitaw, so you have to be kanang you have to take beautiful pictures, you have to kanang maybe like describe the product and all that. It was really hard at first because di man siya common na product, but once I got people to taste my product na try sila order na nalamian jud sila, so magsige na sila reorder. So after ana kay ni okay na ning boomer ang business. Ma-amaze sila because it's not a product that's really common here. So, mura sila maglibog at first. Like, saan ni siya? Kanang cookies or something? Makuan sila ba? Nining-eat nila. Kay malingaw sila because it's eating chocolate. Pero, the toppings are something bitaw na exciting para nato. Di siya the usual na nuts lang, ana. So, malingaw ang mga tao niya. Yeah, maujud siya kung ma-feedback usually makuha. It's part of the kuan niya, kanang iyahang aesthetic. Ang kanang i-stack bitaw siya niya, lahi-lahi siyag sizes, lahi-lahi siyag shapes. Kay if ana ra siya, like ana, di man kay siya exciting tanawon. So, kani siya, muna siya, like, beautiful siya tanawon because it's irregularly shaped. Very, all kinds of people jud siya, like malaki, mababay, mabata, matiguang. Ganahan ra sila tanan, and then namangug ko'y different variations, na ko'y dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. So depende sa ilahang level of sweetness na mo prefer. Dira sila mo pili lang. Maka-speak jud bitaw siya sa imuhang na feel na nothing too extravagant, but it's very well thoughtful siya ba? Thoughtful siya na gift na handmade siya, and then naka-think you have to choose the flavor na gikuan na your loved one is you know your loved one likes. It's very personal, and then maka-add pa jud kag I made sure jud to add personal notes, like you can put a card, you can put a ribbon para pretty siya, but at the same time, it's not overstatement sad siya na gift. For me, it's so important to celebrate even the smallest things right now, because love itself should be celebrated. And yeah, the fact na your loved one is still there, despite sa tanan na nahitabo, there's the feeling of pagka-normal sa world, and it's also something na you can look forward to despite all the things that happened.
Bisag, like namo, 6 years nami, kinanglan di punta atong i-surprise atong partner, imong wife or imong husband or imong boyfriend, girlfriend, kay sa gidugayon na ginay mga challenges, at least nasa kay to spice up your relationship ba. Need jud mga surprises. Samaan ni kani unique kayo. Like nanay bouquets, mga inana. So sa kani nga pamaagi, murag nindot gid siya sa pananaw sa imong partner.
Ako it's really, if you have something na you really want to try something creative or something na murag passion project nimo, because this one also started as a passion project for me. Just go for it lang jud and don't doubt yourself, kay kanang wa jud ka kabaon sa ang imong makuha from it.
I usually look at the side wherein unsa ang uso sa daghan nga tao. Not really market nga specific person or specific kind of people lang. I usually do kung unsa ang pwede jud, especially sa masa gani, and kung unsa ang affordable. As much as possible affordable. Kay karon, since pandemic times, all we want is makasave ganita.
Akong at sulti lang kung mag-start kag negosyo, focus na jud ka, and then sabayan mo kogi. Unya di kam give up. Nam ginay mga critics na mga complaints. Maningkamot ang jud ka nga imong ma-meet ang ilang expectations.
Happy Valentine's!
Wow,